This vanity desk is such a beautiful and functional addition to my bedroom.
It's made from high quality MDF and you can actually feel how solid and well built it is. The surface is smooth and easy to wipe clean, perfect for makeup or skincare routines. With 4 drawers and 7 shelves, it has the perfect mix of hidden and open storage. Everything, makeup, jewelry, hair tools, finally has its own place, which keeps the area neat and clutter free. My husband actually assembled this one. I could have done it too, but he said that the instructions were clear and it went together really smoothly. He builds a lot of the furniture we get, and even he said that this desk was solid and really well made. The sliding mirror is a clever design. It glides side to side for the best angle, and when I'm done, it tucks neatly away. The built in LED lights have 3 color modes and adjustable brightness. I love being able to match my lighting to the time of day or the look I'm going for. And it even comes with a comfortable chair that fits right under the desk when not in use. If you want a vanity that's sturdy, stylish, and thoughtfully designed, this one really checks every box.